Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Danqing in Marvel Rivals. First, it's important to understand that Danqing is a special event currency, not a character. It's your key to unlocking fantastic, exclusive rewards during various limited-time celebrations within the game. Think of it as a valuable resource that helps you progress through event challenges and acquire unique cosmetic items. Mastering its collection and usage will significantly enhance your event experience. The primary way to earn Danqing is by actively participating in event-specific missions. These quests are often tied to special game modes, like the exciting Clash of the Dancing Lions. You'll find daily challenges that reward substantial amounts of Danqing upon completion. For instance, tasks might include scoring a certain number of goals or successfully intercepting the ball multiple times in a match. Prioritizing these missions is crucial for efficient collection. Beyond the main event missions, you can also accumulate Danqing through other avenues. Certain regular game challenges, which refresh periodically, offer smaller but consistent amounts of this valuable currency. These can often be completed in any game mode, even against AI opponents, providing flexibility. Additionally, keep an eye out for opportunities to exchange your in-game units for Danqing, typically available during the later phases of an event. Once you've collected a good amount of Danqing, it's time to spend it. Navigate to the event page within the game's main menu. Here, you'll use your Danqing to paint sections of a special illustration. Each section you complete unlocks fantastic, exclusive rewards. These can range from unique nameplates and sprays to valuable chrono tokens, and even coveted character costumes, like the Lion's main outfit for Star-Lord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.